Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. English Flow channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Emily.
And greetings, salutations, felicitations. I am Henry. Hello.
Henry, what are you doing? Felicitations? You sound like a robot from the 19th century.
I know, Emily. I am trying to improve my vocabulary. I feel like I say the same things every day. Hello. How are you? I am fine. It is so boring. I want to sound natural. I want to sound cool.
I get it. You want to move beyond the textbook English and speak like a real person.
Exactly. I want the phrases that native speakers actually use in the coffee shop, at work, or on the street.
Well, throw away that dictionary, Henry. Today's topic is essential English phrases you need for daily conversations. We are going to learn the magic phrases that connect people.
Goodbye, books. Hello, confidence. I am ready.
Let's start with the beginning. When you see a friend, don't just say, "How are you?"
Why not? Is it wrong?
It is not wrong, but it is a bit formal. If you want to sound casual, try these. "How's it going?" Or "How have you been?"
How's it going? That flows nicely.
Yes, and if you haven't seen the person for a long time, you can say, "Long time no see."
Long time no see. I like that. Short and sweet.
Now, how do you answer? If I say, "How's it going?" don't say, "I am fine."
What should I say?
Say, "Can't complain," or "Pretty good, thanks."
Can't complain. That makes me sound very relaxed, like I have no stress.
Exactly. Even if you are stressed, "can't complain" is a very positive answer.
Okay, so we said hello. Now comes the awkward silence. See? Awkward.
Stop staring, Henry. You need small talk. You need phrases to break the ice. The easiest topic is,
The weather?
yes, it is a cliche, but it works. You can say, "Lovely day, isn't it?" if it's sunny, or "Can you believe this rain?" if it's bad.
Can you believe this rain? It is a great way to start complaining together. People love complaining.
True. Or if you are at work or school, you can ask, "What have you been up to lately?"
That means, what did you do recently?
Yes, "What have you been up to?"
And a cool answer?
You can say, "Just the usual," or "Keeping busy."
Just the usual. That is perfect for me. My life is very routine. Okay, Emily. Imagine you are telling me a story. Sometimes I don't know how to react. I just nod my head like a dog.
Nodding is good, but you need reaction phrases. These show you are listening. If I say something surprising, you say, "No way," or "You're kidding."
No way.
If I say something sad, like, "I lost my phone," you say, "Oh, that's too bad," or "I'm sorry to hear that."
That's too bad.
And if I say something cool, like, "I won the lottery," you say, "That's awesome," or "Good for you."
Good for you. Wait, if you win the lottery, you are buying lunch, right?
Maybe, but "good for you" is a great phrase to show you are happy for someone's success.
Now, what if we are debating, like about the best pizza topping? I say pineapple is the best.
Oh, Henry, we definitely need disagreement phrases here. I can't just say, "You are wrong." That is rude.
So, how do you disagree politely?
I can say, "I see your point, but," or "I'm not so sure about that."
Ah, I see your point, but pineapple is terrible.
Exactly. It softens the blow. And if you agree with me,
I say, yes.
try, "I couldn't agree more," or absolutely, or spot on.
Spot on. That sounds very British. Your opinion is spot on. Emily, sometimes my brain freezes. I need time to think of the English word. What do I say so I don't look stupid?
We all do that. You need filler phrases. Instead of saying, uh, um, try these. Let me think. How can I put this? You know what I mean?
How can I put this? That makes me sound like a philosopher thinking deeply.
It does. It gives you a few seconds to find the word. Or simple words like actually or to be honest.
To be honest, I forgot the word.
Perfect. It sounds fluent.
This is the hardest part for me. Sometimes I am stuck talking to someone for hours because I don't know how to leave.
You need an exit strategy. You can't just run away.
Bye.
No. You say, I'd better get going.
I'd better get going.
Or, it was great catching up.
It was great catching up. That sounds very friendly.
And the final goodbye. Keep in touch. Or, have a good one.
Have a good one. That means have a good day/night/evening?
Yes, it covers everything. It is very common in America and Australia too. Okay, Henry, let's put it all together. You meet me on the street. Use the phrases.
Okay, I am ready. Long time no see, Emily.
Henry, how's it going?
Can't complain. Lovely weather, isn't it?
It is beautiful. What have you been up to?
Just the usual. Working hard. Actually, I am learning to play the guitar.
No way! That is awesome.
Yeah, it is hard, but how can I put this? It is fun.
Good for you.
Well, I'd better get going. I have a class.
Okay, it was great catching up.
Have a good one.
Henry, that was amazing. You sounded so natural.
Really? I didn't feel like a robot?
Not at all. You flowed from the greeting to the exit perfectly.
I feel powerful. I can talk to anyone now.
That is the goal. Friends, memorizing these small phrases helps you connect the big words. It is the glue of conversation.
Yes, don't worry about perfect grammar. Just use these chunks. How's it going? No way. Have a good one.
If you found these phrases useful, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to Mr. English Flow. To be honest, it is the best channel on YouTube.
I couldn't agree more.
See what I did there?
I did. We have a question for you today. What is your favorite English phrase? Is it cool? Is it awesome?
Or maybe, have a good one. Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for watching.
I'd better get going. Bye, everyone.
Have a good one. Bye.